All right, so now I'm going to do a demonstration for you to show you where all Earth's water is stored in the reservoirs. So this 1,000 milliliters of water is going to represent all the water in the Earth, okay? And we are going to draw out 17.4 milliliters of this water, and we're going to place it in the glacier's cup. So the water I'm drawing out right now, we're going to measure it in our milliliter cylinder here. And I just colored this water blue so that you can see it in the video. It's just water with blue food coloring. Now this graduated cylinder is going to measure up to 10 milliliters of water. We're going to draw out 17.4, so I'm going to do 10. And we're going to pour that into the glacier's cup. And then we're going to come back and do 7.4 more milliliters. My dog is enjoying some water right now. Some of the water of the world. Oh, and that's perfect. Okay, 7.4 more, so this makes a total of 17.4 milliliters. So, out of all the water in the world, this much of our water is frozen in glaciers. All right, our next step is we're gonna look at how much water is in the ground. So underground water. We're gonna do 16.9. Again, we're gonna go up to the 10 milliliters. There's our first 10 milliliters of groundwater. And we need 16.9 more milliliters. So, oh, just 6.9 more. All right, now we have 6.9 more to add to the groundwater. So when we're thinking about all the water in the world being in this is how much of it would be in the groundwater. So as you can see, it's pretty equal. We do have more in glaciers than groundwater so far, but not a big drastic difference. So next I'm going to put 2 milliliters of water and put it in the other reservoirs. Now, to get 2 milliliters, you can see on our graduated cylinder, that is not going to be very much. So we're just gonna go to that first line that says 2. Need just a little bit more. Okay, so 2 milliliters in our other reservoirs. And as you can see, that's not very much of the world's water, is it? And then finally, we're gonna put 1 milliliter of water in the lakes. This is 1 milliliter. We're gonna put that in the lakes cup. So, the rest of this water, all the world's water, is salt water in the oceans. So this much water is in the oceans. We have this much water frozen in glaciers. Now this is fresh water, but we can't use it because it's frozen. This is fresh water and it's underground. And this is lakes, okay? Look at the lakes. Not much water in the whole world in the lakes. And this is everything else. So this would represent the water that is coming out of your pipes. It represents water in rivers, streams, puddles, everywhere else in the world that we might have water. So hopefully this demonstration shows you most of our water is salt water. What we have left over as fresh water, a large majority of it is frozen and underground.